let's quickly import this .env and config. And how do we import them? We come here, we can, I think you have installed Git, you come to terminal, then Git, then you run this project like npm run dev, and because we did not cd change directory crn, that's the reason. Then we run again. All right, now in fact we don't even need to run it. We need to npm install, installing now, installing what dot env, and also we are installing pg, right? So you can install several in series by just adding space in between, then you run. Okay, as install, we can also come here and continue with our lesson. So these are imports, as we have said, and import.env, this is what we have installed actually, and this is .env from .env, which is installing right now. Think of .env as a little helper, LSIF. Its whole job is to read a secret file called e.env, where you keep password and settings you don't want to show anyone, and make those secret available to your code. So this one, it is only you who know about it. Even if you put or you push your code to the GitHub, no one who will visit your GitHub account will show such things such as password and so on. Now we also have .env config, and this you are telling the else, okay, go ahead that .env file now and load everything into process.env, right? A big box where Node.js keeps environment variable like little labeled nodes. It can check anytime. So process.env, env we have not yet done, but we are almost there. So we are going to also make this .env file. Okay, let's go to the PG now.